Welcome back to All America Woodworks by Brad. I am Brad. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to try to do a 15-minute garden bench. So a lady that I work with saw the bench that I previously made, and she wants me to make her one. She wants to use it to put, I believe she said potted plants on. So we're going to do that, and we're going to try to do it in 15 minutes. I'm just going to put my phone down and set a timer, and not put a timer on the screen because I don't know how to do that in editing yet. So we're just going to get this going, and I'm just going to load up all my gear of the things that I need. I've already got my boards marked to make it just a little bit quicker of a process, and let's get started. So what we're going to do is take this board, which is one of the bleacher seating boards that I built a shop with, and I want to say this was like 33 inches, not even, 28 3/4, sorry. So since it's only going to be a bench for potted plants near a garden or a front door, I'm just going to use this as the surface for the pots to sit on, and I'm not cutting this one down. I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit on the router when it's that time. But we're going to take this one here, which I've already marked here across the middle at 15 inches. So it's going to be 15 inches high off the ground. And then I have this board here also marked, that's going to be the support in between the two legs and right underneath the bench. And we're going to hold all of it together with pocket holes. And I know a lot of people don't like pocket holes, but I do. I'm a fan, time saver, and it'll make it last a lot longer than butt joints or anything like that. So I want to get these cut, and we'll start assembling. I'm going to start that stopwatch and see if we could do it in 15 minutes. Start. Timer's still going. We're at 10 minutes. So what we're going to do to mark our halfway point, because that's going to be tying into the support here. So we're sitting at 9 1/4. So we're going to go 4 5/8. If you have to, go to the other side, make sure that marks up, matches up. And it does. We'll mark our other board. At 4 5/8. Mark the wrong end on this one. Use our square to draw the line up. We are ready to start putting this together. A little too long. No need for pre-drilling because we're going to use these screws that are meant for no pre-drilling. We're going to do 3 per side. I'll bring you up for a close-up on that in there. You get her all set up, I'll bring you in for a close-up. And before we screw it, sit it down and flush it up. bring you in here. Sometimes they don't want to get started, but once they get going, they're good to go. Take off the clamp because it's no longer needed. Check our time. 17 minutes. We're already over. That is okay. Pocket hole screws. We'll get them set. We'll measure our spacing on the sides, and we'll get her all buttoned down. Let me go ahead and move this over so you can see me a little bit better. Inch and a quarter. Inch and a quarter, which is exactly where we wanted it. Square it up front and back. We're ready to cinch it down. Just so you can see, 20 minutes, 21 seconds. Not quite the 15 we were going for, but I mean, you have some hiccups here and there, and it took a little bit longer. I forgot to hook my hose up to the miter saw. I had to adjust the Kreg jig because this board is 1 inch thick where these are 3/4. So I had to adjust the depth of the drill bit for that reason. And there you have it. Nice and sturdy. Let me get you turned up here a little bit. Back you up a hair. That's that. So 15-ish minutes you could build a bench just like this one. This is going to be for plants. She's going to put some plants on top of this, I believe, by her front door. So there you have it. I'm going to get this delivered to her tomorrow, and I'll see you on the next adventure. So get out there and create something.